In this tutorial, we will see how to configure and use Atomosphere to create and manage cloud resources in one place. Go to Cloud Targets, set up Atomosphere Cloud, and then Tethered Providers. Enable Azure. Now you can create resources and manage them from this dashboard. Repeat the same process with AppCloud. Now you can create resources with both providers and compare their prices and available regions. In the left sidebar, you can view all the services currently supported by the Atomosphere platform. More will be added soon, and the selection of supported cloud providers will grow. Now let's create an S3 resource. Go to the creation menu. Choose the name that respects all the constraints, and select the desired specification. Finally, choose the billing frequency that you prefer and proceed to the next step. Here you will see all the enabled providers that can handle your request. Select the region and wait for the pricing to be available. You can select it for multiple providers in order to see the differences. Now you can choose the provider that best suits your needs and proceed with the creation. A payment screen will open for the resource and the selected billing interval. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to Electros, and the resource will be created shortly. You will receive the invoice for the selected resource via email. You can view the quantity and the desired specification in details. Using the dedicated button, you can download the login credentials for the bucket. Now you can simply copy them and log in using this command. If you wish to delete the resource, simply return to the dashboard and select the trash can button. You will receive confirmation that the resource has been deleted. Next to the name, you can see how much time remains in the billing period before the resource is actually deleted. Full Atomosphere documentation is available at docs.elemento.cloud.